Good morning, girls. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the dimensions of business environment. So, as we talk about the dimensions of business environment, it is one of the very important topic in class 12. The topic from which often the questions are being asked, that is the dimensions of business environment, and it is also known as micro environment or general environment, and it has some following important factors. So there are total five kinds of dimensions of business environment. The first one is economic environment, then social environment, technological environment, political environment, and legal environment. Now we are going to discuss in detail about each and every environment one by one. So first we have to discuss about the economic environment. Economic environment is generally the combination of economic system, policies, and economic conditions of a country. Now, when we talk about the economic environment, all those factors or all those components which affect our economic system, okay, comes under the economic environment. So, generally, economic environments may we can consider all the threats or opportunities which are being offered to the businessman. So here the businessman has to timely scan the forces of the economic environment and threats. So if he is able to, or if he guesses about the threats and opportunities of the business, likewise he can take the decision. Now if we talk about the economic environment, there are some elements of economic environment which affect the economic system, like socialist capital. There are three kinds of system. One is socialist, the another is capitalist economy, and one is the mixed economy. So our economy system can be either of the one, either it can be socialist economy system, there can be a capitalist economy system, or there can be a mixed economy system. Now the elements which affect the economic system are the economic policies. One is export import policy, taxation policy, industrial policy, etc. These are some economic policies or economic conditions. The element of the economic system, like depends upon the national income, the rise in the price level, rate of interest. All these are the elements of the economic environment. Now in the question part it is being asked, they will give you suppose an example that with the increase or decrease in the with the we can say introduction of new political system, export and import policy got changes, which dimension has been discussed above. So in that case you have to think that it is talking about the exim policy, so it is an economic environment. Now there are certain impacts of the economic environment. There are various examples of it. First is a decrease in bank interest rate significantly increases the demand of the goods and vice versa. That's very it's very simple to understand. If the bank is going to ask that I will charge less rate of interest, automatically the demand for the loan will increase, and vice versa. If the bank is going to charge high rate of interest, then the demand for the goods and the services will be decrease. So it is one of the impact of the economic environment. It comes under the category of economic environment. Likewise, if there is a rise in income of the people, the demand of the goods and services will increase. If there is a fall in the income of the people, the demand for the goods and the services will decrease. So that is also an impact of the economic environment. High inflation rate, that is with the increase in prices, high inflation rate increases the cost of the business. So these all things are a part of the economic environment of the business, and that's why we can say that economic environment refers to the combination of all kind of economic system, economic policies, and economic conditions of a country. Next comes your social environment. Social environment, it refers to the all the combinations or all the features of the society in which the organization exist. Now what is that? All things of the society, anything which affects our society, like traditions, cultures, values, social trends, anything which is related to our society comes under the category of the social environment. Now, what are the elements of the social environment? First one is your traditions. Traditions means all those social practices which it lasted for decades, like Diwali, Eid, Christmas. All these festivals are a part of our tradition. It comes under the category of social environment. Secondly, values, the value or the moral principles which prevail in our society. Just as we talk about justice, we talk about equality, we talk about freedom, we talk about social justice, we talk about there should not be a discrimination between men and women. So these all are our values which affect, or which is a part or the major element of the social environment. And next is social trends, like whatever are the general change or development in the society, like health, fitness, fashion, sense. All this kind of our social trends that are the major element of our social environment. Now, social environment, they have certain impacts on our business as well. Like if the large number of festivals, or in India is a country where we celebrate a numerous and a number of festivals. So of course, with the large number of festivals or traditions in India, there will be more opportunities for various businesses. So of course, our social environment will be affected by that. If there will be equality, or it is a value which emphasizes the enterprise, if there is an equal remuneration of male and female, of course the social environment will be affected. If the social justice will be there, it will create a social responsibility for the business. If the equality will be there, equality is something which emphasizes that an enterprise must have equal remuneration, that we had discussed. Health and fitness trend had created demands for gyms and sports stadium. So these all things are going to have an impact of our on our social environment. So social environment is something which affect our society, which is related to our society, our social values, and that is one of the very important part of social environment. The third comes is your technological environment. Nowadays we all are covered, we all are surrounded by techniques, by technologies. So that is very easy for you to understand nowadays about technological environment. Technological environment refers to the innovations relating to various business activities. So of course there may be create threat for some and opportunities for others. Some people are technology, we say techno savvy, they are having a fear, they have a threat of technology. And some are techno friendly, they find it very easy to handle technological things. So similarly happens in the business environment also. Now, for the major elements of technological environment, we have to find out, we have to discover the new ways, the innovative ideas of producing goods and services. We have to find out the new methods of operating a business opportunity, and that is the element that we have to understand in technological environment. Now technological environment likewise has certain impact. What is the impact of technological environment on business? Like here I'll give you some example. It is written, you can see in the PPT, that with the arrival of Xerox machine, carbon paper industry suffered a setback. Of course, because earlier the people were focused, they were using the carbon paper, but as soon as the Xerox machine came into introduction, as it has been introduced, the paper industry, carbon paper industry suffered a surprise. They were shocked that now our business will be affected. So one technology has surpassed the another, and in this way the technology improves, the innovation improves, and things keep on changing, and the businesses keeps on affecting. Similarly, with the arrival of photostat machine in the market, the carbon paper industry suffered a setback. So now with the introduction of digital watches, the method, or like we were using the traditional watches, the traditional watches system has gone because the digital watches has come into market. So with this, the traditional watches companies have suffered a lot of losses. That was one of the impact of the technological environment. Like we can say, the postcard, like telegram we were using in the earlier time, but with the introduction of internet, email, and with the all these things, our this writing letter and telegram and postcard has companies has affected a lot. So these all are the important of technological environment, and this technological environment of course affect our business environment. Fourth one, that is political environment. It refers to all the political conditions in the country and attitude of the government towards business. Anything which is referred or which is related to politics, political conditions, with the introduction of new political system or with the introduction of new government, what all kind of attitude of the government towards business comes under the category of the political environment. Political environment consists of the political conditions just such as general stability and peace in the country. So it has great impact on the business community. There are certain positive as well as negative impact upon business. Before that, we should know about the elements of the political environment. Political environment deals with the political stability and peace in the country, the attitudes of the government towards business. Political environment comprises the type of government, whether it is a multi party government or a single party government, or what are the ideologies of the various political parties. So these are some of the elements of the political environment. Now political environment has certain effect or impact on the business, like with stringent approach of Janata Party government in 1977, multinational companies like IBM and Coca Cola had to ignore India. Now this was some of the attitude of the government towards these companies, like because of the attitude, because of certain restrictions, certain law being given by this political government, these multinational companies has to leave India, has to ignore India. Similarly, like we can say, because of the political interest, Hyderabad become the center of information technology. So these all are certain, we can say, points or certain effect of the political parties. Now the last one is your legal environment. Legal, anything which is related to law, the sum total of all the act passed by the government, the judgments of the courts and the decisions rendered by various commissions and agencies in the country, all those laws which the government pass, all those acts which the government pass, which the public has to follow, which the business has to follow, comes under the legal environment. Now what are the elements of the legal environment? The acts or legislation passed by the government, the law which the government pass, the judgment which the court pass. Everybody is bound to follow that. We cannot go beyond the law passed by the government or the judgment given by the court, the decision taken by various commissions and agencies. So these all are certain elements of the business legal environment. Now we come on to the impact. The impact of legal environment says, suppose by removing control on the capital market, a huge amount of capital was collected by issuing various new issues in the primary market. So this was a law passed by, where the law has been given that you have to remove the control from the capital market. As soon as the law passed, a huge capital was collected by issuing various new issue in the market. So this was one of the effect or impact of the legal environment. Now with the introduction of the relaxation policy, like FDI has been passed, government has passed a law that now the foreign companies can come, they can do business with India. With the relaxation in FDI, foreign exchange, many multinational companies, they have entered in the Indian market to do the business. So this was also one of the law or the legal procedure or the legal, we can say, uh, judgment passed by the government which has impacted our legal environment on the business. Consequently, there has been a tremendous increase in the foreign exchange reserves in the country. With the, like I have told you, many companies have entered in the Indian market. So this was a brief discussion, a brief explanation about the dimensions of the business environment, which is very, very important for class 12 business studies. The question is often being asked. Please listen it. If you have any doubt, you can ask on my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share.